If your mirrors are droopy or chrome peeling, you want to get it replaced. Aside from aesthetics, it's also a matter of safety you'll need on the road. And Dennis, welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1966 through 68 Chevelle and El Camino outside mirrors. This product has been officially licensed by General Motors. The GM Restoration Parts emblem represents the most authentic and accurate parts for your restoration available in the industry. Available for driver and passenger sides, our mirrors are identical to the originals. Each mirror is carefully made from die-cast zinc and case-hardened steel tooling for authenticity. Details matter, and that's why we also included the factory-correct Chevy bow tie logo in the cast, unlike others out there that machine finish the bow tie, giving it a different appearance. We also feature the correct angle of the arch in every base on our mirrors, which is something you can visually compare to the originals. The mirrors feature a stiff ball joint pre-assembled with the base that we developed to prevent the problematic drooping that many cheap aftermarket mirrors fail to address. You'll be able to confidently adjust your mirror and expect it to stay in place even after thousands of miles going down the road. At the end of the production line, every mirror is finished with a triple chrome plating that's sure to impress others. In addition, all of our mirrors come with the proper gasket and hardware for a straightforward installation right out of the box. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at OPGI.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.